Hello everybody. Now the questions we will discuss based on the Heron's formula. So your first question is find the volume, lateral surface area, total surface area and the diagonal of a cube. Cube is there. Cube means the length, breadth and height all will be the equal. This is your cube. The S is already given, that is 20 centimeter. This is given your 20 centimeter. Length, breadth and height all are this one. So first is saying you have to find out the volume. So volume of a cube is equal to the S cube, side cube. So that is side is 20 whole cube. So this is 20 into 20 into 20, that is equal to 8000 centimeter cube. This is your in centimeter. So this is your volume. Volume is nothing else, side in length into breadth into height, but all are equal. So length into L into L, this one. Now lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of cube means we are talking about outer one. हम केवल इस floor top we are not including and this base is not including. So that will be equal to 4 into side square. Directly you can apply the formula. See the formula 20 square. 4 into 400, that is 1600 centimeter square. This is your lateral surface area, means area of the four walls, that is also you can say. And surface area means total surface area of cube, that is equal to 6 into side square, that is 6 side is 20 whole square, that is 6 into 400, so that is 2400 meter square is the, this one is there. The total surface area is there, including this floor as well as this top, including both. Now the length of the diagonal is equal to, which already we know, the a root 3. A is 20, so that's 20 root 3 centimeter will be the length of the diagonal. Actually this length of the diagonal means we are talking about this one is there. And this is already that is equal to L square plus L square plus L square. So you will get this is L root 3. This is. So diagonal is 20 root 3. Have a look. Okay. Now the question is, there is a river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide. Width of the river is also given 40 meter. Deep is this one, means like you can say this is your river. The width of this river is given 40 meter and deep is 3 meter. This one. Then he's saying the water is flowing in this one at the speed of 3 meter 2 kilometer per hour. With this speed, the water is flowing with this speed 2 kilometer per hour is here only. We want to know then how much water will fall in 1 minute, because this is going to fall in a sea. Here it is going to fall in here only. Then we want to know then how much water will fall in 1 minute only. See, look at here now. So H you know, V you know. If we calculate L means how much distance the water will cover in 1 minute. Speed is this one. So with the help of the speed, हम इस speed से ये निकाल सकते हैं 1 मिनट में कितना water flow करेगा. जो 1 मिनट में water flow करेगा, that will fall in the sea only. तो speed क्या है हमारी 2 किलोमीटर पर आवर. Then you can say speed is 2 kilometer per hour. Means in 1 hour it is going to cover 2 kilometer. Or you can say the 2000 meter. In 1 hour it is going to cover 2000 meter. You can change kilometer को meter में change करिए, क्योंकि height and the width is already given in meter. So this is 1 hour, but we want to know in 1 minute. तो देखिए in 60 minutes it covers the 200 meter distance. तो in 1 minute में कितना cover करेगी? Water will cover 2000 over 60 meter. So this is will work as a length. So now you know the length, you know the breadth and you know the edge. So you can find out the volume, how much water is going. जो 1 मिनट के अंदर जितना वाटर यहाँ फ्लो करेगा, जितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा, वही वाटर विल फॉल इन द शी. So that is the volume of the water. क्या हो जाएगा in 1 minute? You can calculate now L into V into H. Volume of water in 1 minute. That is L into V into H. L is what? 2000 over 60. B is 40. H is 3. You can solve it. 0, 2000. So this is 1000 meter cube water will fall in a seas there. Have a look. Yes. Now one more question is there. Question is the diameter of a roller 120 centimeter long is 84 centimeter. There is a roller is there. ये जैसे ये roller है. This is your roller, means which we used to make the road is there. Road पे जो roller चलता है. इसका length is given, that is 120 centimeter, and the diameter of this one. This is your diameter is given 84 centimeter. He is saying if it takes 500 revolutions, means it is going to rotate 500 times. Then level to playground, the cost of the level is given 5 rupees per square meter. Then how much money is required to level of this one? So rate is given here is 5 rupees per meter square per square meter. It means rate is given in square meter. So it means this length and this one must be the change. Let me check. I think they may be given in the form of meter is there. No, it is given in centimeter. Okay, no problem. See, so this is your L. This is the L, that is 120 centimeter. You can change it to the meter. This is, and this is your diameter, that is 84 over 100 will be your in meter. So radius you can calculate here only. 84 over 100 divided by 2. So that is 42 over 100 meter. This is your the radius is there. Now question is here, because it is going to revolve 500 times. तो इन वन रिवॉल्यूशन, एक रिवॉल्यूशन में क्या करेगा ये उतना ही एरिया प्लेन कर देगा जितना इसका कर्व सरफेस है. तो यू आर सपोज टू कैलकुलेट द कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस वन. तो सॉल्यूशन इज हियर. यू कैन कैलकुलेट कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ रोलर. So that is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi is 22 over 7. R is 42 over 100. And H is, this is L is will work as a H because it is lying in the plane. जैसे रॉड है, अगर प्लेन में लाई कर रही है, उसकी लेंथ है 5 मीटर, तो वी विल सी व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ द रॉड इज 5 मीटर. लेकिन उसी को आप 90 पर खड़े करेंगे तो दैट बिकम ए H is there. So this is you can read as a H is here only. So that is H is 120 over 100. You can solve this one 6 times and you can keep as it is because a lot of calculation you require. Into 6 into 120 over 100 into 100. And this is the area which it will cover in 1 revolution equal to the curve surface area. But how many revolutions is taking? 500. So how much area it will labeled in 500 revolution? So area labeled in 500 revolutions, that will be equal to 500 into area labeled in 1 revolution. एक बार में जितना किया 2 into 22 over 100 into 6 over 100 into 120. This is, so you can solve this one quite easy. And then 5, 20, 0, 2 and 2. So you are getting easier 22 into 6 into 12 meter square. This is the area which it will complete in 500 revolutions. Now the cost is given here. Your rate is given. Now you have to find out the cost is here. So I am going to rub it. So here the cost will be, look at here now. And cost is equal to, we know that cost is equal to area into rate. Because rate is given in meter, so that's why rate was given in meter. That's why we change this length and this radius in terms of meter is there. So here we are getting area is your 22 into 6 into 12 and your rate is given what? 5. Now you can solve this one. So this is 2 132 into this is your 60. This is 0 2 carry 1 9 7. So this is the amount which we required for leveling this playground is there only. This complete leveling, this one 7920. You can check your answer also. Yes, have a look. Yes, now the question is the external diameter of an iron pipe is 25 centimeter and its length is 20 centimeter. This is the external diameter is there and thickness of the pipe. This is your thickness. This is your pipe is there. That is hollow pipe is there. Thickness of this pipe is given 1 centimeter. This is your 1 centimeter. ये जो इसका thickness है, you can say like this thickness is 1 centimeter. Height is 20 centimeter. We are supposed to find the total surface area of the pipe. Total surface area of the pipe. So first of all, you have to find the radius is there. So this is your external diameter. External diameter is there. That is 25 centimeter. So what about your capital R? Means the external, this radius means from here to here, this one is there. So R will be equal to 25 over 2, that is 12.5 centimeter. This is R. Now the thickness of this one is 1 centimeter. So if we subtract the 1 centimeter from here to here, you will get the radius of this inner one. Internal radius you can calculate. So internal radius will be equal to what? From this 12.5, because here to here, यहाँ से यहाँ तक 12.5 है. 1 centimeter thickness out हुआ, so that is 12.5 minus 1, so that is 11.5 centimeter. This is your small r. Internal is a small r. This is your external radius. This is your external radius. That is equal to capital R. Now we are interested to find the total surface area. So we are interested in this one what? We are interested is here only. इसका inner one, ये inner, इसका outer, this one, or this is the portion, this one. We want to know this one. So whatever will be the area is here, because ऐसे करके आएगा, like this one. We are interested in this portion is also there, this one. So that will be your total. So what will be your total surface area? Total surface area of this hollow pipe. That is, पहले outer one लीजिए, capital R. So that is 2 pi capital R into H plus this inner one 2 pi small r into H plus इसका कैसे निकालेंगे? This is your R, small r, this is your capital R. From the outer circle, subtract the area of this inner one. You will get the area of this specified portion. आपको किसका एरिया निकलेगा? इस वाले पोर्शन का एरिया निकलेगा, this one. So that is equal to from capital pi r square subtract small pi r square. लेकिन whatever will be the area is here, जो एरिया यहाँ होगा वही एरिया यहाँ पर होगा, this one. So that is you must do the twice of this one. Now you can solve this one. So this is 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi small rh plus 2 pi capital R square minus 2 pi small pi r square. For the own convenience, you can take the 2 pi common. So that is here is capital RH plus small rh plus r square minus small r square. This is. Now you can put the values here 2 into 3.14 and 3.14 you can put, or you can put the 22 over 7. 22 over 7 you can put here only for the exact value. Capital R is there 12.5 into H is, this is your H, that is 20 plus small r 11.5 into 20 plus 12.5 whole square minus small 11.5 whole square. This is, you are getting this one, and you, after solving this, your answer will be equal to 3168 centimeter square. Simple calculation is there. You are supposed to solve this one is there only. Simply you must solve this and you will get the answer 3168. Have a look. See, now the calculation is here. You can put the 2 into 22/7 values here. 2 pi we are taking common. You will get this 12 into 5 into 20 is 250. 11.5 into 20 is this one. And here is a square minus b square you can apply. So you will get this 24 and this is 1. 250, 230 into 24, add this one 504. So 7 ja 49, 7 2 ja. So 2 into 22 into 72. That is 44 into 72. If you will multiply, you will get the 3168 centimeter square. This is the calculation is also, you can do that. Have a look. Yes. Now the question is there. There is a rectangular sheet. The length of the rectangular sheet is 44 centimeter and breadth is 20. We are going to roll this rectangular sheet with the length. With the length, we are going to roll it, and we form the cylinder. We want to find out the volume of the cylinder. What will be the volume of the cylinder? See, look at here now. जब हम इसको along with the length you will roll करोगे, like you are going to roll this one, so this 44 will be equal to the circumference of this one. This base is there only, and this B will work as a H. क्योंकि we are going to roll like this only. So HB length will be the equal to this H is there. So here is the H is that is equal to the B is 20 centimeter, and this is your 2 pi r. अगर if we assume radius is r है, so that will be equal to this length because along with the length we are going to roll. So this is 2 pi r. Circumference जो होगा of this cylinder, that is 2 pi r, that will be equal to 44. अगर if you are going to roll this along with the breadth, अगर हम इसे breadth के साथ roll करते तो ये h का काम करता and this will work as a the circumference is there only. So here you can calculate the r and this is your h. You can find out the volume. But here is we are going to roll along with the length. Length के साथ कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ से आप radius निकालेंगे. तो r is equal to what is equal to 44 over 2 pi. You can put the value 44 over 2 pi 22 over 7. 7 goes in the numerator. So this is 7 centimeter. So this is the radius of the this one. तो इसका radius क्या है? 7 centimeter. Now you know the radius, you know the height. You can calculate the volume. So volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square into h. This is already we know that pi 22 over 7. Radius is 7 square. H is 20. Solve this one. So you can cancel the 7 one is here. So this is 22 into 140. This will be equal to 0, 8 and 30. So 3080 centimeter cube will be the volume of this one. Because इसके साथ अगर roll कर रहे हैं तो जिसके साथ roll करते हैं वो that will give the circumference of the base is there only. Have a look. Okay, now the question is how many meter of cloth we required if the width of the cloth is given 5 meter to cover the conical tent. Means there is a conical tent है, like this is your conical tent, and you want to cover this one is there. We want to cover this outer. The radius of the whose base is 7 meter. Radius is given here 7 meter. And height is 24. Height is, this h is given 24 centimeter. Then how much cloth is you required? If the width of the cloth का जो width है वो already given, that is 5 meter wide. This is your the length of the width of the cloth is there. Means like this cloth है, we are given, this is B, that is 5 meter. We want to know the length of this cloth. What should be the length of the cloth to cover this one is there. तो जो cloth यहाँ चाहिए हमको, that we need equal to the curved surface of this one because we are going to cover this one is there only. तो यहाँ you know the h, you know the small r. until unless अगर हमको जब तक slant height नहीं पता चलेगा, you cannot calculate the curved surface area of this cone is there. तो you are given h, you are given r, and there is a relation. ये क्या होता है? L square बराबर होता है h square plus r square. तो from here only we can calculate the slant height because the curved surface area of cone क्या होता है? That is equal to pi r l. So you need l, you need r. R is already given. You have to calculate the l first. So here is, this is your slant height. This is the length is there. There's no need to confuse it here. So now you are supposed to calculate the L is there. So L square is equal to h square plus r square. H is given 24 whole square. R is 7. That is, this is your 576 plus 49. This is equal to 526. So therefore, L will be equal to under root 6 to 5, that is 25 meter. Because the length cannot be the negative, so that's why we are not putting plus and minuses here. So length L is equal to 25 meter. Now you can calculate the curved surface area of this one. So curved surface area of cone, that is equal to pi r L. Pi 22 over 7. R is already given 7, and we know the length is, slant height is 25. You can calculate. So this one, so you will get 550 meter square is the curved surface area of this cone is there. Now this area will be equal to the area of cloth. Area of cloth will be equal to this one only. So that is, you can say from here, length into breadth will be equal to the curved surface area of the cone, because we are going to cover this cone by the cloth whose width is given 5 meters. जिसकी width हमको 5 meter दी है. We are interested in length is there. What will be the length of that cloth is there only. So L into B is given 5 is equal to, this is area you are getting 550. So L will be equal to what? 550 over 5, that is equal to 110 meter. Means 110 meter length अगर cloth की है, with this wide, this width only, we can cover this cone by the cloth is there only. Have a look.